Pharmaceutical supply chains are intricate networks. A single disruption can halt production, causing delays and financial losses. Understanding these complexities is crucial for maintaining efficiency and quality. Disconnected systems often lead to fragmented records and duplicate data entry. This lack of integration hampers visibility and affects supply continuity, making it vital to address these challenges head-on. Pharmaceutical supply chains encompass stages from raw material sourcing to distribution. Each stage carries control obligations and potential operational consequences, requiring meticulous management. Unique challenges arise, such as supplier qualification and monitoring. A single unqualified supplier can disrupt the entire production process, highlighting the need for stringent controls. Quality management is key to supply chain resilience. It ensures that supply changes are absorbed without compromising quality, maintaining a stable drug supply. The FDA's Quality Management Maturity Program encourages practices that go beyond baseline requirements, supporting a more reliable supply of medications. Building stronger supplier quality controls is essential. Centralizing supplier records and audit findings allows for continuous performance monitoring and informed reevaluations. Connecting quality events to production data enhances traceability. This integration ensures that operational events are linked to controlled quality workflows, improving recall readiness. Effective QMS and ERP systems should integrate seamlessly, ensuring data consistency. Key features include role-based access, electronic signatures, and audit trails for compliance. Evaluating software for regulatory compliance is crucial. Ensure the system supports validation requirements and reduces duplicate data entry between quality and operations. QT9 offers a unified platform for integrated supply chain management. It centralizes quality and operational processes, enhancing compliance and supply continuity. By connecting quality events directly to manufacturing activity, QT9 ensures that quality and operations act on the same records, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. Integrating QMS and ERP systems is vital for improved supply chain management. This integration enhances traceability, compliance, and operational efficiency. By adopting these strategies, you'll ensure a more resilient supply chain, capable of absorbing changes without compromising quality. Still need help? QT9 is here for you. If you'd like to learn more about how quality management software can help streamline your processes, visit QT9software.com for additional resources and guidance.